Hey guys, have you heard the one about the woodpecker that made the house beautiful? I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have an exterior we just wrapped up, and what started this whole project was a pesky woodpecker. Beautiful birds, but this house had stucco, and they started boring holes in the stucco, and the house was riddled with holes, which was a problem, and the woodpeckers kept coming back. So that's what initiated this exterior renovation, which is how that woodpecker made the house beautiful. So here the conundrum was what to do to make this thing woodpecker proof, what to do to make it beautiful, enhance curb appeal. So in the end we stripped all the old stucco off, all the old stone cladding that was on the house and any siding products, and stripped it back to the sheathing. We did find some rot behind that, the older stucco, and did repair that. And then we decided to look a bit on what we should do design-wise. The client wanted something really beautiful, different textures and color, but also something that was low maintenance. They loved the wood look, but didn't want to deal with maintaining it. So in the end, the solution was a combination of products and combination of colors. So we have some hardy panel siding on here, so it's a concrete fiberboard, so no maintenance, has a wood grain imprinted on it, looks really good, it's fire retardant, it's a great product. We also have some imitation wood shakes up in the gables, so that gives a nice texture, adds some nice character, good that warmth of the wood grain look, but it is a PVC siding product, so no maintenance again. Onto the post here, they wanted that beam, the timber look on the beams and posts. So here we opted again to use this Luxe steel siding product, and it's great. You can pick from a bunch of different colors and wood grain patterns. It's zero maintenance. You build up the post below and the beams to what dimensions you want to give the look that you're after, and then you go ahead and get these clad and you have this really nice clean look. It looks like timber or wood, but again, no maintenance. Another bit of feature we added here is around the overhead door. We went with some board-and-batten. Again, it gives some nice texture. We mixed up the colors a little bit. Really works well together, really enhances curb appeal. And then on the sides of the home, we kind of opted to save the client a bit of money there, went with some vinyl siding that complemented the look of the front, but all of the attractive products went into the front to really give that overall great finish. Other features are increased amount of soffit lighting, number feature, etc. So if you have questions about a renovation like this, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.